welcome everybody. So my name is Jane O'Keefe and I'm from the National Maritime College of Ireland, and I'm here today to talk to you about our product, which is MEP, Maritime Education Platform. So just a little bit different, I've just started here with just a few slides really. Some of you may not know where our college is, so just a couple of slides just to introduce that. So this is our college, National Maritime College. So just a brief spec here. So the cost of the build, first day, 53 million. The size, 14,000 square meters. It was built in 2004. We have 750 students. We have 360 bridge simulator and simulation suites, various. So we're down then to, we have 3 partners. So what's interesting is that it's a public-private partnership. So there are 3 partners. There is our college, which is the academic college, and linked in with CIT, with the Navy, and we also have our 3rd partner then is Bogus Landlease, which is our facilities manager. So it's quite interesting that we have this partnership, and then it's a commercial entity as much as an academic entity. So it's very interesting and quite excellent opportunity from that perspective. So again, just some views of the college there. And you're more than welcome, if you find yourselves at other conferences in Ireland or whatever, please let us know. We would love that you will come and visit us. And again, just showing you exactly where we are. Right? We're down south, it's Cork. We're at the Mulva Harbour, which is like 11 miles from Cork City. So again, for the students, it's an experience for them that when they're away at sea, you know, it's not in the centre of the city, so they do experience that they're working in a contained environment there. And Cork Harbour there is noted as one of the largest natural harbours. So, and that is our building there. So onto the MEP. So here's the Maritime Education Platform, and it's aimed to deliver online learning in key areas related to STCW courses, and content and the following. So these are the 3 particular areas that NMCI have focused on within this project. So it's LNG, AIS and ISM. So 3 of my colleagues basically put these courses together in 2008 and 2010. And so just to give credit, the LNG was our engineering lecturer, Julie Powell. The AIS was our Captain Peter Walter, and ISM was Captain Rachel Alam. So we'll just go through these briefly. So just again, with what was the MEP all about? So the project was to provide high quality educational materials and e-learning platform in certain subjects. So these are the subjects that the NMCI focused on. The project provides improvement of quality and maritime education material, cooperation between maritime education institutions, and innovative virtual learning space filled with high quality e-learning resources. So again, it was a need for the lecturers and also to improve engagement with the student. So the student-lecturer contact and the learning outcomes would be achieved at a much higher level. That was the goal. So just briefly on the ISM, the International Safety Management area of focus. Here, the course is designed to assist an instructor teaching the fundamentals of Maritime International Safety Management Code. And within that then, I'll show you this one a little bit later, but the course aims to familiarise the students with the ISM code, and it uses various methods then to assist in this process. So the second one then was the AIS, so Automatic Identification System. So here the course then was designed to assist an instructor in teaching fundamentals of the Maritime Automatic Identification System. Very straightforward. It use various methods to assist in the process and offer resources that can be used in the learning process. So again, that was very, very innovative and very interesting. And the final one was LNG, and here again it was to provide in-depth application of the use of liquefied natural gas as an energy source, and we know obviously depleting resources with oil, etc. So traditional ships were used like heavy oil as an engineering source. So again, more and more we're moving towards LNG. So there's many factors, including the environmental emissions, cost depleting oil resources. So this has become more critical. So they're basically three. So I'll just show you just how you get into our site. Obviously you go through the maritime.learning.pro, which Martin has gone through with you earlier, and then if you link on our particular link. Yeah. So it's here, this is the dash link. Yeah, so when you go in and when you want to see the MEP within the Maritime Pro, you basically click on the link, and that first page. So this is what you see first, right? It's just quite plain, but you double click on MEP, and in doing so, the next screen appears, and this is what you see. So then you have a choice, then, right? So LNG. The ISM, or the automatic identification system. So we have a look at the ISM. So this particular one, yeah, is just laid out, and it's different chapters. Okay, so if we go into chapter 1, please. And this is how the layout looks. So again, traffic management. A simple course, the course designed to, as we read out already, and just the information. So then it's quite easy to use. On the right hand side it says continue, and you're into the second page. And again, I think there's 13 pages in this particular section. So you just scroll through those. The second area then is there's quizzes. So the student can quiz themselves on their knowledge after basically going through the online course themselves. So that's the structure really, and pretty much the others are structured very, very similarly. So if you want any more information, again, we can get in outside online, or you can talk to me later about it. Okay? So thank you for listening.